Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me today, guys. So what I'm going to be doing today is actually using tattoos to create a makeup look. These tattoos were gifted to me from Tattoo Now. They actually gave these to me, I want to say like last year or even longer than that, but I hadn't had the time to get around to it. The ones that I got, I forget the name of what this pattern is called, but it's really pretty. I really like it. And I think my idea, like I'm just gonna use it on bare skin and then probably put like some gold and some white around it. But yeah, let's get into it. Woohoo! Okay, so this was kind of tedious to put them all down, but I got the chest how I want it. Okay, so we're moving on to the face. So same thing, I just cut them out and now I'm going to place them how I want. I do have foundation on my face now, so hopefully this still peels off. I think it should. Okay, so that is it, guys. This is the final tattooed look. Let me know what you think. I think it turned out really cool for having like no direction of what I wanted to do or like look in mind with this. I think it turned out good for that. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me like always, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.